So guys, if you're also facing this kind of issue in your Snapchat, when you open your Snapchat, you will see this kind of issue where it is written to use Snapchat, please allow access to your local storage. So friends, if you want to fix this issue, first of all tap on turn on option, and if you see this kind of allow option, simply tap on allow option. And friends, if this kind of notification allow option is not showing on your Snapchat, and then back this page and then tap on your Snapchat application, and here you have to tap on the app info, then simply scroll down your page and here tap on app permissions and then scroll down your page and then tap on photos and videos and then tap on the allow option. And guys, if your camera is not also on the set on the don't allow, then you have to select allow while. You can select ask every time or allow only while using the app. So guys, if you set all these options, then you will not face this kind of issue in your Snapchat, like you can see. And guys, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.